Do you know that song, the Italian song? Roma, Roma, Roma. Roma, Roma, Roma. No? It's a good one. Hi there, my name is Matthew Baxter Priest, and welcome to another edition of Esquire's Talking Time. Bulgari's watches are as aesthetic as they are functional, and this year's reworked Octo Roma might be one of the most desirable timepieces that we get our hands on this year. What we love about this combination of the stylish dress watch Octo collection with the everyday wear of the Roma models is that it makes an even more impressive collection together. Originally designed by the legendary Swiss designer Gerald Genta, the Octo is named after its design featuring an octagon within a circle, and it takes its leads from the octagonal motifs of ancient Roman architecture. For 2018, Bulgari has produced 3 new iterations of this, the Roma, and this is the rose gold model with its rich resin-hued sunburst dial. It's the ultimate contemporary take on a classic dress watch. Focusing on essentials with undeniable style, the timepiece is highly contemporary for its linearity of its contours and its measured aesthetics. The Octo Roma watch houses a mechanical automatic winding movement with 18-karat rose gold and a stainless steel case and bracelet. This model I have here will cost you around a cool 160,000 dirhams. Well, that's been another episode of Esquire's Talking Time. If you liked what you saw, please hit the subscribe button and leave your comments below. What watches should we review next? We might leave it up to you. Thanks for dropping by.